Hey, good morning, everyone. It is 3 a.m. in the morning on day 0 of Hot Rod Drag Week. Getting ready to head over the track. It's about a 30-minute drive. And we are going to fire up the car right now and wake up the hotel. There was a large wedding party last night, so I'm sure there's a few hangovers this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and start this up and give them the wake-up call they deserve, since at midnight roughly, they started banging through the hallways and tromping up. I could hear them on the upper level, making all kinds of noise, so since they did me the kind favor of waking me up, I'm going to do the kind favor of doing the same. So let me go ahead and start the car up, and we'll see if she fires up first try. A couple pumps of the gas, and yeah, we'll wake them up. All right, guys, so we're at the track. There's only, I don't know, a couple toters here and maybe 5 vehicles in front of me. Probably a little early, but I'd rather get in early, chill out. My buddy Dave is actually in front of me. Probably should, I'm not gonna go wake him up. Dave's like 72 years old. Show you, his GTO here in a minute. It's like a 64 GTO with its Pro charged. Anyway, now that we're at the track, I'm gonna go turn the battery off and kill the lights here, and maybe see how comfortable I can get in this seat for the next couple hours. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys when there's light out. Well, guys, it may be hard to see this, but everything is starting to fill up around here. So everybody's starting to show up. About it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning now. Guys, here we go. All right, we're sitting in tech, and well, the line for tech, I guess, and we're just waiting for them to open it up. You can see the line is long, and you can see a lot of guys with their trucks and trailers heading over to park their rigs for the week. And then you can see everybody that else is already here from last night events. Imagine a lot of these guys will be leaving, like these big toter homes coming out. A tip I would suggest for all you guys is to unload your car, have your trailer hooked up before you get to the tech line. That way you don't have to go over there, unhook, unload, connect your trailer, and then try to get tech line. chaos of tech. All right, guys, we're all teched in, and we're back to Street Machine Eliminator instead of a class. Keith Turk and I were talking, so instead of running one of those classes where I'm definitely not fast enough to go 850 classes where he was going to put me, I figured I'd just go back into Street Machine Eliminator and just have some fun for the week. Anyway, guys, so with that said, we are now in the pits here near the staging lanes right over here, and we are also near the grandstands and the bathrooms. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what the tech line looks like. By the way, the beginning of it is basically the front of the grandstands on the back side there, and it goes, as you will see, all those cars are lined up kind of behind all those campers there. But you'll start noticing, yeah, there's a bunch, there's a bunch, there's a bunch, and it goes all the way back to the tree line way over there. So they're going to be in tech line for a long time. That's why you get here early, guys. All right, guys, so they just opened up the staging lanes. Gonna go and make a pass. I screwed that up. Shifted 1-3 by accident. So, yeah, we'll see what the ET slip says. And by the way, the car weighs 3,340 pounds with me in it. Thank you. Wow, 1297. Talking about a terrible pass. Definitely screwed the pooch on that. So, yeah. Let's see what we can see if this time if we can try to go 1, 2, 3. I just may run it straight back up to the staging lanes. All right, let's try this again. Guys, we hit all the shifts at least, but it just felt slow. Anyway, we'll see what the ticket shows here in just a moment. So the good thing is, you know, we hit all 3 gears at least. You know, we got a second pass in. I think, like I said, tomorrow I am going to change some plugs out and, you know, maybe add a little timing. So overall, you know what, I'm going to call it a day with you know, day 0, I guess, and hang it tight here, and we'll see what the slip shows. Thank you. You're welcome. I don't have my glasses on, but it actually looks like a 12.4 pass, so which would be my best ever quarter-mile time. So let me get to the pits here. I'll get my glasses on, and we'll see what actually turned. Yeah, 12.48. So 1
175 60 foot, which is a little bit way better than the last one. Not my best, but way better. So 7.9 1/8 mile. Again, not my best, but you know, it's getting closer to what I ran it on a day ago. So we came out to be at 12.4, you know, at 107. So a little better. Now let's keep tuning on it. See if we can make this, you know, by the end of the week. I want to see if we can get this, you know, basically at 12 flat. Hey, let's finish the week. Let's have a good time. You know, meet some new people, and you know, go from there. So, not too bad. I'll take that. You know, from where I've been the last 2 years at drag week and race week, this is my best ever slip. I'll take it. Just so you guys can see, it is 2:02 in the afternoon, and there are cars still checking in. Again, the reason, guys, to get here early. Alright guys, so here's what comes in the goodie bag for Hot Rod Drag Week. You get a t-shirt, you get a little drawstring bag, license plate, metal license plate. You get this from Gear Vendor, and this year we got a beer opener. Hey guys, it's 5 o'clock. I'm leaving the track, and I would show you, but there are still cars in tech, by the way. The cars that are in tech now are the waitlisters. So it is a little after 5 o'clock, and there's got to be 30, 40 cars still in line to get teched in pretty easy. Like I said, these are all the waitlisters now. So you waitlisters, get early, and at least to get your name on the list, because there's a lot of cars in the wait list line.